You ever watch a machine and just think, how is that even possible? Right here, what you're looking at is the CAT 365C Excavator, and this thing isn't just big, it's an absolute powerhouse. Watch closely, because the speed, the precision, and the control you're about to see, it's on another level. That bucket comes in, scoops up a massive load of dirt like it's nothing, swings over, and drops it perfectly into the dump truck. No hesitation. No wasted movement. Just smooth, efficient work. And that's the kind of operation that separates a good machine from a great one, and an average operator from a skilled professional. Take a look at how quickly that cycle happens. Scoop, lift, swing, dump, and right back again. Every second matters on a construction site like this. Time is money, and machines like this are built to save both. Now imagine doing this for hours straight. The consistency alone is impressive. There's no slowing down, no sloppy movement. Just clean, repeatable cycles over and over again. And that's what makes this so satisfying to watch. There's something about seeing raw power combined with precision that just clicks. It's not chaotic. It's controlled. Every movement has a purpose. Look at the size of that bucket. That's not a small scoop, that's a massive load of earth being moved in a single pass. And the excavator handles it like it weighs nothing. That's the engineering behind Caterpillar machines. Built tough, built to last, and built to perform under pressure. Now keep your eyes on the truck. The positioning is key here. The operator has to line everything up perfectly so every load lands cleanly inside. No spills, no wasted material. That kind of accuracy doesn't just happen, it comes from experience. You can tell this operator knows exactly what they're doing. The timing, the angles, the speed, it's all dialed in. Watch how the arm extends, the bucket curls, and then releases at just the right moment. It's almost like a rhythm. A pattern. And once you start noticing that rhythm, you can't stop watching it. There's a flow to it. A kind of mechanical choreography. And while it might look simple on the surface, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. Hydraulics, balance, control systems. All working together to make this possible. That's the beauty of heavy equipment. It's not just brute force, it's smart engineering. Now let's talk about speed. This CAT 365C isn't just powerful, it's fast. Really fast for its size. That quick cycle time is what keeps operations moving efficiently. The faster the excavator loads, the faster the trucks can move out, and the faster the whole job gets done. And when you've got multiple trucks waiting, every second counts. Look at that swing speed. Smooth, controlled, but quick. No jerky movements, no hesitation. That's exactly what you want in a machine like this. Now imagine being in that operator's seat. You've got full control of this massive machine. Every movement responds instantly. It's not just about strength, it's about control. And that's what makes this so satisfying to watch. It's not random. It's intentional. Every scoop is placed perfectly. Every movement is efficient. Now watch the dirt as it falls into the truck. That moment right there, that's what people love. The dust, the motion, the impact, it's visually satisfying. It's one of those things you could watch over and over again and not get bored. And that's why videos like this perform so well. Because they tap into something simple, watching work get done the right way. Now take a second and notice the environment. This isn't an easy terrain. Rough ground, uneven surfaces, heavy material. And yet the machine handles it like it's nothing. That's durability in action. CAT machines are designed to handle tough conditions. Heat, dust, heavy loads, you name it. And they keep going. Now here comes another cycle. Watch closely. The bucket digs in deep, fills up completely, and lifts without struggle. That's power. And then that smooth swing over to the truck, no wasted motion, no unnecessary stops. Straight to the target. That's efficiency. And then the drop, clean, controlled, and right on point. That's precision. Power, efficiency, and precision. All working together. That's what you're seeing here. And honestly, that's what makes this kind of footage so addictive. You're not just watching a machine, you're watching a system working perfectly. Now think about how much material is being moved here. Each bucket load adds up fast. Over time, this machine is moving tons and tons of earth. And it's doing it consistently. That's the key word, consistency. Because in construction, consistency is everything. You can't afford mistakes. You can't afford delays. And machines like this are built to deliver reliable performance every single time. Now look at the coordination between the excavator and the truck. The truck driver positions perfectly, the operator loads efficiently, and together they keep the workflow smooth. It's teamwork, even though it's all machines. And when everything lines up like this, the job moves fast. Now here's something interesting, watch how little material is wasted. Every scoop goes exactly where it needs to go. That's not just good for efficiency, it's also good for safety and cost control. Less cleanup, less rework, more productivity. And that's exactly what you want on a site like this. Now another load coming in. Boom down, bucket in, lift, swing, drop. Over and over again. It's repetitive, but in the best way possible. Because each repetition is clean and precise. And that's what makes it satisfying. Now imagine the power behind those hydraulics. The force required to lift that much material, repeatedly, without slowing down. That's serious engineering. And it's happening right in front of you. Now watch the timing again. There's no pause between cycles. As soon as one load is dropped, the arm is already moving back. That's efficiency at its peak. And that's exactly what keeps projects on schedule. Now here comes another perfect drop. Right in the center of the truck bed. No spill, no adjustment needed. That's skill. And that's experience. Because anyone can move a machine, but not everyone can move it like this. Now take a moment and just watch. No need to think too much about it, just observe. The motion, the rhythm, the consistency. That's what makes this kind of content so relaxing. It's almost hypnotic. And before you know it, you've been watching for minutes without even realizing it. Now here's something else to notice. The machine isn't overworking. It's operating within its limits, but still delivering maximum performance. That's how you extend the life of equipment. Smart operation. Now another cycle, just as clean as the last one. And that's the thing, there's no drop in quality. Every movement is just as precise as the first. That's consistency. And that's professionalism. Now imagine how many cycles this machine will complete in a full day. Hundreds, maybe thousands. And each one needs to be just as accurate. That's the level of performance we're talking about. Now take a look at the dust and debris. That's real work. This isn't staged, it's not edited to look perfect, it's real construction in action. And that's what makes it even more satisfying. Because you're seeing actual productivity. Now watch the next drop carefully. Right there, that moment when the dirt falls, that's the highlight. That's what grabs attention. And that's what keeps people watching. Now as this continues, you start to appreciate the balance between speed and control. Too fast, and you lose accuracy. Too slow, and you lose efficiency. But this right here, it's perfectly balanced. And that's what makes it impressive. Now another clean load. Another perfect cycle. And the truck keeps filling up. Bit by bit. Until it's ready to move out and make room for the next one. And the process continues. That's how large-scale construction works. Continuous movement, continuous progress. And machines like this are at the center of it all. Now just take it in. The power, the precision, the rhythm. It's all right here. And honestly, it's hard not to enjoy watching something like this. Because it's simple, but it's done perfectly. And sometimes, that's all it takes to keep people hooked.